This bitch massaging me. Alright, we live, we live. Now Schmidt gets quiet.
You start the stream?
Yeah. I was gonna say, I thought you heard me say we live. Homie, shut the fuck up. Stop
No,
singing.
no, no.
Let out a fucking turn up, turn up. This bitch massaging me. Alright, let's see what we got going on here today. I ain't even gonna lie. Ain't been watching too much. Monthly looking hella shrunk for fucking gold, for fucking, or not for gold, not for, I mean for GJ. 4 hour just fucking flip. Look at the music, bro. Put on the future. Let's see if it'll fucking ban my stream. Let me get the link too. Where the fuck I put the hat I was wearing earlier too, bro? I'm gonna get a haircut.
I need to get me one too, honestly.
Whoa. Dude, it's getting real on, bro, with my, shit, it says it got fucking how many minutes? An hour and 15 minutes for my 30-minute candle to close. Like, bro. Turning me off a fucking perk, bro.
came off the mission, high definition. A boss, my left wrist a faucet. My ring cost is pink like an ostrich. I feel lost, this bitch got herself hostage. I done got exhausted, running through the money. Oh, hundreds, I need to spend cause they don't print them no more. BM wanna go to court cause I won't fuck her no more. You not a wifey, I can't fall in love with no more. Stop doing Miley and the ecstasy, I'm right back on it. Cashmere special cloth, I got diamonds on. Bags of cash like I'm serving fentanyl. Killers walk with me, I don't need a bodyguard. I got all kind of hoes, international. Sandro, pay PJ, flight that hoe. Right wrist froze like I got an ice pack on it. Get a nigga smoke, bite it like a bomber clock. Drug dealers and scammers will never harm my side. They be right there with me. Shooters right there with me. See, 500 shots in VIP. When I'm in, told the waitress don't drink liquor, I drink lean. Hey, I'm that nigga. I'm that nigga. I'm that nigga. I'm that nigga. Who did you get the spear from? Who they got you on cell phone? I'm that nigga. Who the first rapper the hood on? Who got more shooters than Al Capone? I'm that nigga. My dogs and feds talk on iPhone. I rock baguettes cause I'm a rock star. So keep winning the head just like Zona. I'm in a foreign doing donuts. I can't be caught around a sheep. You DIE, you fuck with me. I don't do rentals, don't do lease. My shit. Crank up the trap without the key. Set shit on fire, I got it heated. This bitch is bad, she still can see it. Open your eyes when you eat it.
Keep up your great work on the reels. This has over 1,000 views. Nice.
I'm just a ghetto boy like PZ. That GT3 it go 260. I just love she texting me, she missed me.
Instagram probably want me to post another one. I gotta finish up the reel from yesterday, dude. I was literally making it and I fucking passed out sleeping.
I'm that nigga. I'm that nigga. I'm that nigga. City on fire. How you coming? I can boss a bitch up for a nut. That little bitty watch ain't one name. I can boss a bitch up for a nut. That little bitty watch it one name. That little bitty watch cost name. That little bitty watch cost me name. I can boss a bitch up for a nut. That little bitty watch cost none. That Skelly AP plane cost me nothing. Admission tickets when
Yo, what up, MM? I'm waiting for one thing here today. It's for us to come and close above 1917 or nothing today. Let's see this chart. Oh, nice. It's Mr. Grim in this right now. Hopefully that this candle can drive up and close above, so that way that your entry is like basically protected, and this next candle should just keep fucking juicing. What do you want? A 30-minute? I will say, I do think I might look to respect that area, but I think running 19-20 pips, beautiful, bro. I want to see it close above, and then I think like we should have clean traffic moving back up here on the 4 hour, right? This thing hasn't broken the high yet either, so when it does, it should fucking juice. 1 hour looking good. Yo, does anyone see this on my left hand side or right hand side of my screen too? It says my 1 hour candle or my 30-minute candle has 1 hour and 9 minutes to close. Like, bro, it's got 9 minutes. That's it. But I don't know why it says 1 hour, bro. Shit's throwing me off. It's fucking annoying. Let's see, if we break past this point, this might make a nice fat move, quick move up. And then like pull back some for the candle closure. Hopefully that's what we get here. Alright, just like one more pip, go ahead and do that. Did it break it? No. Dude, I love that. Let me put some juice ingredients to make a juicer. Yeah, that's right, homie. Let's look, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I haven't really been on the charts just because yesterday I did mean to get that daily breakdown out, but I mean, honestly. Wait, where did we start the day at? Probably have been. This candle here, bro. So let's look at this. So this candle was the start. I will say the best fucking move was if you go to the 15-minute. I had a zone right here earlier. It looked like this, right? From down in here. I had this zone drawn up from yesterday. And then I seen the 30-minute did this fucking beautiful setup. Or the 15-minute. Then the 30-minute made that bottom link. This is a setup you'll see all the time. Weak ass, like when we're trending up, you'll see a weak, like doji bearish candle. 30-minute, and then like it'll look like this on the 15. Next candle will drop down, make that bottom work for the 30, respect the low, drive up, break the high, and then either you could get it on the flip, like right here, or once you break the high, which would have been here. I will say, so like I think we could maybe move down too, just because of how bearish we've been off the weekly. But the daily looks good to move back up. We got some clean traffic moving up. And I want to see, I think this weekly candle wants to come back and close above like 1920 right here. Alright, so look, it's starting to move up. Damn, bro, I just looked at that shit and it was like a doji. Alright, so we just broke 4 hour highs. We got like 7 minutes, 6 minutes. Let's see. Break and retest, boom, same story, gold when it's trending, facts. Alright, so look, it's breaking that up. Let's see, it might move a little bit. As long as we can close above here, bro, it'll be a beautiful trade. Yeah, look at it go, bro. That's what I'm saying. Once we break that 4 hour high, shoo, motherfucker juice and juice like 20 pips. A candle closer right here would be absolutely fantastic. GJ as well, bro. Kinda ugly. I wouldn't even like look to trade GJ today, right? Y'all mad I missed it, but I didn't do the daily breakdown. Keep it a stack. Keep it a stack. This shit is fucked. I will say, it does look like this daily candle might drive down, make more of a bottom wick. Maybe continue this bullish market structure we've had. Like moving up. Not me, not me. And then Nas. Alright, I ain't gonna lie. Now Nas is looking good for those sells, bro. It's been kind of fucky all for the last couple days, but the Nas sells are starting to look decent on the daily, right? Cause look at the weekly. It looks like this daily candle wants to drive down here in this weekly candle. You see what I mean here? Like go to the daily. This candle, if this drives down, then this weekly candle is gonna continue moving down. And it's gonna, I mean. US 30 also good for sales. Yeah. Oh, let me look at my US 30 chart. Okay, this is a daily. It's starting me off a little. I think you can look to see for sales below like this area here on US 30. Oh yeah, bro. If we close below here on US 30, you should be seeing some good sells. You wouldn't even need to like do too much. Perfect though. We got like 3.5 minutes. This is looking good. Like if this 30-minute candle closed just like it looks like right now, it looks fucking beautiful. I'm in a real automobile. That's a double R. Looking like we about to eat though, boys. We look like we about to see a juicer. So look at this. From below this 30 is about 35 pips from where we're at. So that alone is not a terrible stop. I'll probably wait, pray that it makes a decent bottom wick, and then we'll look to execute, right? Let me see something real quick. What's the 15 look like? 15 looking like a goddamn Wookville and juicer. What up, Josco? How you doing, fam? I hate this song. This is the only song I don't like on a New Future album. Alright, go up a little bit more. Give it a little bit more juice. You can close up a little higher than that, Golden. And then like, you check news? Yeah, I know. We have PCE price index today. But if the setup's there, I ain't gonna wait. That's like something I noticed. Like sometimes, like you could definitely 12% for this week, and I'm thinking I should trade it there or not. So I will say, since you already are kind of in that mindset, right? And there's nothing wrong with this. Let me just say what I want to say real quick. Since you already have that mindset, it is the end of the month. It is the end of the week. You could just be a spectator on the charts today, and then end of it, and then you won't say you end up you do having a loss. It might hurt your psychology a little bit. So honestly, in my opinion, stay away, bro. You don't need to risk nothing. 12% for this week, you're good. You dig me? Do you dig? You dig? 12% for this week. That's fucking beautiful. Sometimes the best thing to do is, honestly, like, sometimes, like here, I think the setup looks good. I will say though, we need to see where this thing wants to pull back to. I didn't want it to go this far. Alright, so we're gonna delete this. I want to see it pull back into here, this zone here. Like, at least into here, and then like, we'll have to see. I'll probably have to keep my stop below like this 15. But if it could like pull back, give us a deep ass pullback into here, like, here or something, bro. Because like this is not enough big enough bottom wick for me, right? I don't want it to like pop down a little and then drive up. Alright, it's like really early into the candle, I ain't gonna lie. Let's wait some more, let's wait some more. Alright, so what I'm gonna do at this point is I'm gonna put that buy stop in right here. So let's see, if price goes up, right now it's like 15 pip stop. That's not too terrible. That's not too terrible, right? No, we want this 1 hour candle start juicing. I think it might want to pull back a little bit more some, but we'll have to see. We'll have to see. I think this is a good enough bottom wick though, in my opinion. Yeah, go ahead. Pull back a little bit more. I think it wants to, bro. I'll feel more comfortable because we closed above, right? So we know we're going to move up. My buy stop's at 19.59. But, like, I feel more comfortable. Like, we close above. If it does drive down and, like, tap into here and then go up, boom, perfect, right? That's why, like, I like to wait for the bigger bottom wicks. We just tapped into the zone, too. So, like, if it wants to make a deep-ass bottom wick, this, like, it could go one of two things here. It could either just fake out, and then, like, boom, we don't get no trades. We call it a day. We call it a week. Call it a month. Or it'll go up and flip, and then we'll see what happens, right? Alright, boom, we just tapped in that zone. So now if it wants to go and flip, perfect. Even if it drives a little lower to like the bottom of the zone. Perfect, now flip for us. Hopefully this thing is done making its bottom wick now, and then if it goes up and flips, sheesh, we should see a good trade here. It's gonna be like almost a 30 pip stop, which is like pretty normal. We'll see what happens though. This thing drive down fakes out, bro. I'm ending the stream. Is PCE important? Yeah. But it's like if the setup's here, then the setup's here. I will say this is not looking good. Unless we respect this. I mean, that's only the 15-minute low. Ooh, alright, so we just smashed her there. Let's see what happens. If we break the 30-minute 1-hour lows, then definitely I'm probably just gonna look to get away from this, right? This might be a liquidity grab for news. Yeah, just possibly a deep ass pullback here, right? We'll keep the 1-hour up because this is what's important to me. I mean, the 30-minute. If we break that 30-minute low, we're probably just gonna come straight down to here. What's a 5-minute looking like? We'll see. This one had no bottom wick. But it ain't looking too good, I ain't gonna lie, boys. We just broke that 30-minute low. This might just fake out, bro. We should go for fake out entry. You could do whatever you want. I had a plan. I'm just gonna stick to it. There's only one thing I wanted to see today that made sense to me. I'm not gonna force nothing on the last day of the month. I will say, like, this 15-minute needs to give like, if it, I will say though, I don't know, like, if the 15 fakes out here, it could move down, bro. But I still, like, I just wanted to see one thing today, last day of the month. I had a beautiful fucking week. I'm not gonna risk nothing on some dumb shit or like, not some dumb shit, but something that, like, I didn't anticipate to see. I didn't think this candle was just gonna absolutely close above and then absolutely drive down it as soon as it opens. How many pips? Like 50 pips. You know what I mean? So if it does fake out, I mean, honestly, we could probably definitely move down towards here. I'll say, like, we need to break below this point though. And then you have all these minor supports that you made moving up here in this little. So we still haven't broken the 1-hour low. We'll see what happens though, bro. If you ever do this too and look, sometimes like if we're up at a high point at the New York Open, it'll do a pullback to continue. Like let's see if we can find it. Like this was chalked yesterday, so we won't look at that. But like right here, like we moved down this day, so when it opened up, we drove up, then moved down. That's the only thing I use these for. Let's see where else. Like right here too. Drove down, even like kind of broke the support, then like kind of moved up some. It was a little chalked. It doesn't do it all the time, right? But you get what I mean. Dude, this is a fucking bleeder day. Let's just hurt my eyes though, bro. Explain to us how to get or identify a higher time frame trend or bias. Alright. So I just like to start with the monthly, honestly. Start with the monthly. I'm gonna remove everything. I'm just gonna redraw everything up here, right? So it's like first thing you do in the monthly, look left. From where this monthly candle, right? Because you gotta look at this one. This one's still open at this point. So where's the resistance? It's right around here. And then our next support would be right around here. So then I drop to the weekly, and then you look at where we're at right now, right? So then if you go to the weekly, you can see this is the open candle. This one had traffic towards here, and then on the weekly you can drag this down a little bit. Daily, so like we had a minor support here. I would still say though, like the way gold moves, like you still have like all this rejection, and obviously this is a very sensitive area. Then you have a support around here, and then like right here, and then like since these are like higher time frame zones, like you'll see me go draw something like this, alright? Like these like boxes around here. But it's just kind of understanding how the candles form. So like we had this daily candle print a huge bullish, like a big bottom wick, very strong body, right? So like get used to looking at that. Like what does each candle mean? This one has a huge bottom wick right around this rejection area to the left hand side. Not too much of a top wick, strong body, huge rejection wick on the bottom. 4 hour. This is where I have my 4 hour resistance to, right? Right, this area right here. And then we have clean traffic moving back down towards here on the 4 hour, but let's go to the 1 hour. I'd say right around you see here and here. Right, since like we're scalping. So like 1900 too, psychological number. You can see like consolidation, price consolidate around here. I will say I have this here like this because this is like a little bit towards the middle of the consolidation, excuse me. And then you can see we hit reverse here, but this was the most recent one, so I draw the zone there. Draw my zone up because that was that initial daily right here. Alright, see where we're at. And a 4 hour as well. Let me drag this over for you. At least you can see like all these wicks in that hit here. 1 hour. And then it's like you have this here. But then it's like follow the trend of the day too. So like if you see the daily candle, like previous daily candle was bullish. You gotta look at like the overall trend of the market. But in my opinion, like everyone says like, okay, yeah, there's not a best time frame. You gotta use them all. Let the 4 hour and the daily paint the picture for you. Like that's what I do is I look at the 4 hour and the daily, and then I'll use the lower time frames like 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute to see how price is reacting within those 4 hour candles. So like all I'm trying to do is see how what this next 4 hours gonna do. What can we use based off of all these ones previously and what zones we're at currently to say what does this one have possibility of doing, right? Superb. Thank you. Hopefully that helps them though. Try to build a story behind the charts. Yeah, exactly. Like try to let the in my opinion, my favorite time frames, if you were to ask me, 4 hour and 1 hour, bro. They're always pretty clean. Almost always. And then like when you see it doing shit like this is when you stay away. That's how you know to just stay away. But like right now it's trending. And when you execute, wait for all the time frames to line up together. Yeah. So like sometimes they won't always all line up. Like I will say, like right here you had, I believe it was right here. Let me just drop down real quick. So like you can see right here, we had a previous point, price, like you could say like sensitivity, whatever the hell you want to call it, point right here. Because you can see this wick hit here, and then we broke up above while we were trending up, moved back down to create support, and this was like an hour before London opened too. So like pre-London usually makes decent moves. This 15 created a support. You go to the 30-minute. It's a very weak bearish candle, and so now this is where you have to say, okay, what's the 1 hour look like? 1 hour closed bullish, so this 1 hour candle should make that bottom wick respect the low of the previous, which would have also been the low of this previous bearish candle, and you have a 15-minute support. Like this is a beautiful setup. This is like my favorite setup for when price is trending. Like 1 hour, 15-minute close bullish. You have like a doji bearish. Let's see what happens here. We didn't break 1 hour lows yet. I think I am going to delete that buy stop though. I do have it in still. I forgot that I have it drawn up. I'm just going to wait. We're going to see what happens here today. We got like 12 minutes. This is a very bearish 30-minute candle, so it's hard to say though. Like I want to take. I ain't gonna lie. I feel like the fake outs are good, especially like with how this thing's like opened up so bearish. But we do have that news right on this next 30-minute candle, bro. But I'm gonna stay around. I'm gonna stay around. She looking like she about to melt, boys. On gold, price is exhausted if we see 1 hour bullish impulse candles. You talking about like this? Like how this one just drove down like that? Alright, we broke 1 hour lows.
Check the velocity, hope you can weather through the storm. Peep out the carpet, it's custom stitched up in yarn. Hottest commodity covered up, tag in my lawn. Hold on to your
Bullish candle from the bottom of the trend. You talking about this one?
ocean in the sea, Giac. Lunchtime and Cheetah was stubborn and divas. Only for meters, this ain't for the relapse. Bubble like bench came with goggles, yeah. Gang of Korean talk to me proper, yeah. Translator friend, European model, yeah. They cover my trend, top story, ESPN. So many chains like a turtleneck under my chin. I learned to speak another language if it makes sense. Princess cut clarity, yeah.
I will say this sell looks good if there was no news. If it closed below here.
Had better time of my life with no photo. Can't show every gift you get to IG when you fuck on a mogul. I DC sniped it and I hit it, listen to the go-go. I'ma make them lose count if they add up the total. After I fuck you, let me cry on your shoulder. After we made love, let me cry on your shoulder.
Look at this UJ chart, bro. It's about to go to the fucking moon. What's crypto be looking like? I ain't gonna lie, I anticipated a nice bearish week this week, yeah. I mean, we are kind of bearish. Yen is still bleeding. Yen going to 0. Back to 0, bro. There's no traffic on the left. Now this is a fucking juicer. Y'all see this candle, bro? This is what I dream of at night. You bought XRP at 90 and still holding? Never sell, gang? I sold mine, bro. Right before the lawsuit. I got in at fucking 20 cents. Down fucking here. Then I sold it at... Where did I sell my XRP at? Oh, no. I got in at... It was like down here. It was in 2020 in like August, I want to say. So it literally was like right around here. July or August. I am very bullish on like the cryptos. Looks like gold did just drop down, bro. But I mean, as far as like, you know, trading what you see, shit not looking good. Look at the DXY, bro. Aggressive pullback. This shit about to fucking flip. Dude, let me find a screenshot. Where the fuck she at? Where the fuck she at? Told that hoe leave me alone. Oh, let me see if anyone said anything in chat. DXY above 100 means strong dollar. DXY doing this means strong dollar. I will say this monthly candle is about to close above here, bro, and then we should see the dollar move up towards like the 110s. Like 109, 500, 110, and then up towards like 120 eventually. Then gold should be bearish in May? Yeah, exactly. But we already know that. The reason why the dollar is so strong right now is because the rate hikes that they've been anticipating. So that's U.S. dollar strength right there. And then obviously the rate hikes are bad for gold because, and you can already see it happening on the monthly candle. This monthly candle about to close bearish on gold. Let's see, we got like 30 seconds for the news too. Bro, if the news was not here, I would love to take these sells. Massive fake outs on the 30, bro. Massive fake outs on the 30, bro. I might just watch the news and hop off here today, boys. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Volume, volume, volume. Oh, it's just tapped it up in here. Or no, it didn't. What the fuck? I was looking at the 5-minute. I have the 5-minute on my other screen. So, let's see. This thing left with no top wick. I'm going to pull the numbers up here for you guys on another screen. Check this out too. Let's see. We got core PCE price index. They're forecasting a 0.3% increase. It's still fucking loading. That came on. Okay, so the numbers came out the same. Let's see what these other ones are. So there's no change. So price should just continue its normal trend, right? I will say it did just give this 4 hour a nice bottom wick here. Let's see if this thing drives back up in here, right? Maybe this was just the pullback for the news. But the thing is with like the rate hikes, here, let me I have my notebook here where I have a whole bunch of fundamentals and shit wrote down. I have a really good like definition that I have. So here, like this is a real life example of what the rate hikes have to do with the market. So I wrote, it is much like having a mortgage on a house. For a period of time, the interest rates are much lower, so you are paying less on that money that you owe, which means that it's more favorable to be buying into the house, right? So what happens whenever they increase the rates? It makes it less favorable because that's more money that you have to pay to the loan, because whenever the banks and that are moving price like this, it's all money that's being loaned from the central banks. So that means that there's less profit margin for them. Sometimes not even worth for them to be holding these assets because they still have to pay interest rates if they're just sitting there holding them. So that's why you're seeing gold dump and everything right now. And it brings more strength back to the individual dollar itself too. Because they hike these rates to get more money back to the central bank so they can get rid of the currency and increase the strength and the value of them, right? Supply and demand. I was thinking about making a PDF of that book. Some people have asked me to see it and all that. I showed them it. When's the next FOMC meeting? Good question. Next Wednesday. So that's why I feel like I was saying yesterday, or when was it? I believe it was Wednesday. I wasn't anticipating gold to start moving like this. Everyone pray for Nasty. Homie got frostbite. Yo, Nasty is in the voice with me right now, bro. Nasty, is that true? He probably got his mic muted.
What does homie say?
They said it, and they're saying in the chat, everyone pray for Nasty. Homie got frostbite.
That's simple. Nah, I'm 7-1 on gin. That's what I.
Dude been listening to me fucking talk his fucking ear off for the last hour.
Nah, I like it because I keep my chart up and I still understand what's going on. Because like I'm not trading today, but I still want to like, you know.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Know what's going on.
Sen, join too. Let's see. I just want to see like if this 15 minutes gonna close bearish. And then I don't know. I don't even know what I'm waiting, honestly. Everything that I wanted to see today is not happening. So I'm about to honestly hop off the charts, boys. About to hop off the charts, boys. Yo, we got 10 people in here, though. Can we get the likes up on the stream? Please, 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 please. For the boy, for the boy. Let's see. Yeah, I'm about to say I better see this shit zoot to like at least 2 or 3. Then we got 4. Perfect. I love y'all. Yo, what up, Danny? Yo, we in the voice chat if you want to hop in, bro. 6 likes, y'all are goated.
Wait.
7 likes, y'all are goated.
Hold on.
We about to get the whole chat like the stream, bro. Sure. 10 likes. Wait, what the fuck's going on? It says there's literally 4 people in here.
It says there's like 10 for me.
Why you capping? Shit, you know I never told a lie, but you know that's all I do. I am capping though. 11 likes, dude. We literally took the stream up 10 likes in fucking literally 10 seconds, bro. I wish I could like clip that or something, bro. Here, I don't know. My shit be bugging, bro. I'll just show you. Look, it says there's 4 concurrent, and then this is the graph. This says there's 4 people watching. Called your ghosts to like the SRAM. 12 likes. See, now it says there's 10 here. I don't want to click these other settings. Look, now it says there's 2 viewers. Dude, YouTube fucking got me down atrocious. But this says 10. 11. Bro, was this just at 12? Someone unliked it? Yo, someone opened in the fucking chat.
It's at 13.
Now it's at 12 again. Before you get off, check out Jordy El Nino's gold live stream. Alright, let's just do it right now, bro. I don't know who that is.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. No. Yeah, don't pull it up on the stream.
Okay, buddy.
Yepmon's favorite.
It tells me on Google, it looks like there aren't many great matches for your search. And then it says, recommended. Jordy El Nino, Poya, Jordy El Chico, Poya, stepsister. Jordy gets it on with pretty waitress from Madrid.
Whoa.
Jordy El Nino, Poya, doggy style, Rebecca James Smith's MILF pussy. Don't open his stream, he is a porn star. Mr. Grimm's like, who Jordy El Nino? Jordy El Nino. Dude, I want to see Bill Huang stream. I need his signals. Bill Huang's signals. You just realized that was seen? Oh, you probably meant Sen. Sen saying that. Yeah. Bitch, I'm a motherfucking boss. So, I will say, I'm done for today. It looks like this 4 hour currently wants to close bearish. We got to see how the 30 closes. We have to see how everything closes. I pay attention to 30, 1 hour, 4 hour. But if we close bearish on the 4 hour, you could probably almost anticipate gold to continue its, its pullback structure, right? Dude, this shit probably pulled right back to that. Let's pull up and then the indicator, bro. Let's see, fuck no, we don't want the 9 on, we want the 50. About to pull up fucking umpteen indicators. Alright, boys.
Put 'em all on. Oh.
Oop. Ah, boys. Here, let's get rid of the volumes.
Oh, my.
What the fuck is this? Let me put on my fucking... Ah, boys. This is the sell signals. The sell signals are in for gold. Put waves or rainbow. Welcome to the stream. Hello, bro. Full margin gold off of purple line reject. TP at yellow line. Put waves or rainbows. Is that actually a thing? With all that indicators, you are looking like professional trader with $100 million account, bro. I look like the fucking retard. Is all I look like, dude.
Top feels so much better than the bottom, baby. So niggas how I'm living, you know what I'm saying? From the hood.
Let's see. You said there's a rainbow indicator. I bet. Rainbow adaptive RSI. Oh, this is a fucking cheat code to the market. Put this up on the chart. Look at that shit, bro. What the fuck is this? It looks like the goddamn Weather Channel, bro. What the fuck? There's a fucking storm brewing down at 1795, boys. Find me a mad one. Yeah, dude, this shit looks crazy. Wait, what the fuck, bro? Well, how come when I like zoom it out, it doesn't change anything? Like, are you supposed to keep the screen like this?
Oh my, what even is that?
It's the fucking Weather Channels. It's your boy, it's the reporter Sam here from Sykes Weather. As you can see here, we're about to drive down. We just tapped off the blue line. We're about to drive down to the storm brewing towards. We want to see it pop off the tip. You know, just the tip, just the tip. We want to see it drive down. And then, as you can see, we're gonna come back up to here towards this green. Where's she at? Where's she at? We're gonna pop off the tip. We're gonna make a retest off of the green fucking poison cloud. And then if you do an extra zoom out, it should be another pullback down towards put sound and select the second one. The scale of sacred sounds. I'm fucking scared, bro. Does it actually have music? Put these three. All right. Dude, the chart looks beautiful again. Okay. I don't understand how some people do that shit, bro. Put these three. So keep the rainbow. I like pulling it right up on the fucking chart, too. Keep the rainbow. The sound one. The scale of sacred sounds. Rain on me indicator. Rain on. Oh, what the fuck? Oh shit! Just got the whole fucking Fibonacci sequence.
Imagine someone just pulls up your stream, they just see that.
Type the second one. Ah, boys. Now, oh, this shit making my goddamn trading view lag, bro. It's too much. Look at all this data. Dude, it even tells you when to buy. Dude, you'd be eating right now if you put these two on. You wouldn't even need to look at the fucking candles, bro. Is there any other like crazy bullshit? Crazy scalping strategy. Alright, bet. Look, bro, I told you to buy. Wait, I'm fucking confused now. I don't even know how the hell to use indicators, bro. I'm a fucking noob. You should execute with those on as a challenge. Alright, but maybe next week we'll do some retarded shit. Nah, I ain't no fucking way, bro. Dude, look at all these fucking levels. So these are all EMAs. Fast ones, slow ones. What about like the mid ones? Then you got little fancy with the charts today. We just trolling, bro. Do you know about Russ Horn? Is that another indicator? Oh no, I don't. Yeah, no, it's not an indicator. No, I don't know who that is. Let me look it up. Y'all got me looking up some crazy shit. Russ Horn Forex.
Disagree. I think you can be a perfect trader. Now, the market's not always going to agree with the trade you have taken, but you can do the different steps that you have to take perfectly. You can decide what.
Help, the RSI is killing my account. Yeah, turn it the fuck off. That's what it says on his Twitter. Stories Cloud. Naked charts the best. True. Russ Horn is a human. Satotan Cloud sells courses in. Oh, Russ Horn is a human. Okay, I was gonna say. I thought you were saying that like he's like trees. Tim Sykes Jr. Nah, I don't know. All right, boys. I'm gonna hop off the stream though at this point. You know, I'm gonna just go about my day. Who knows what this is doing here at this point? This 15 is just like kind of driving down with no top wick or nothing. I mean, this move down, a lot of it already happened. I will say, I think that we'll have to see what happens, bro. Because it's like, I want to see where this weekly candle is going to close, honestly. And then next week, we'll have good plays. The monthly candle, too, is looking really bearish. You got, like, if this does end up moving down, it'll be an engulfing bearish candle. And if not, we're not going to go up and flip this thing. It's not going up to 1940 today. If it does, I'll suck Nasty's dick.
Whoa.
but that's it for me today, boys. I'm gonna just let the music run, and we're gonna call it a day over here, right? We had a beautiful week. I'm probably look for the Instagram post. If you're not following the Instagram, what you can do is go to Instagram.com/real-sam. Make sure you check out. I'm gonna make a post of all the fire trades that we have play out this week. Check out Discord. You sent a picture. Woo! Look at homie's chart, bro. Sure. What the fuck even is this, bro? What is this? Your GJ chart with this on? This is fucking hilarious. Alright, boys. That's it for me today, though. I'm tapping out. Hopefully you guys had a beautiful week. Hope you guys have a MMC stands for Money Making Committee. But what was I saying? Yeah, we'll be back next week as always. And we'll continue all the beautiful setups we're gonna execute on. Yeah, we'll go to board today too, boys. And I'm on that gang shit. Whole gang bang shit. Alright, boys. I'm out here. We're gonna let this shit run. Like old times. This is where you get it. But the way you want it. That's not where you get.